Welcome to the Fundamentals of Surveying Q&A review number 6. The FS is basically, in my opinion, two big pieces, math and legal aspects. And although I prefer the legal aspects much more than the math, we got to know how to do it. So in this question, we're going to use a basic trig identity, the law of cosines, to solve a problem. And you're also going to see something else that's interesting, a big call of the question. The call of the question states, the city of Nowhere has mandated that all flagpoles must not exceed a height of 49.50 feet because the city revenue needs a shot in the arm. You, Super Surveyor, have been asked to survey all 595,393 flagpoles in the city. Since you don't enjoy climbing, you have decided to use your total station. On flagpole 393-232, the measurements include one measurement from the bottom of instrument to the flagpole of 49.49, another from the instrument to the top of flagpole 66.32, and finally, an angle from the bottom of the pole to the top of the pole of 45.17.23. The question is, what is the height of the flagpole? Stop right there. You've got measurements, and you have a textual description of where those measurements are taken to. But what you've got to do here is you've got to draw it out. First of all, I'm going to tell you to skip over our possible answer choices, because that's not going to help you. You have no idea what the flagpole height is until you crunch the numbers. So reviewing our 4 possible answer choices here are not going to help you. So let's fast forward and let's just look at our measurements.
Like taking your study materials with you on the go? NLC test prep courses are available anytime on any device. Order a bundle today and get access to the most up-to-date, all-inclusive study materials available for the FS exam. Visit us on our website for more information and to sign up today.
Here we have one measurement from our instrument to the bottom, which is 49.49, another measurement, 66.32, top of flagpole, and then an angle of 45.17.23. This type of measurement is called a side angle side, and we are going to use the law of cosines. Because if we have B and C, and we'd like to find side A, then we're going to plug in angle A, side B, and side C, and crunch the numbers. And those numbers look like A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. Remember, the lowercase are sides, and the uppercase are angles. So we have 2 sides and 1 angle. We plug it in, and presto! Our answer for the height of the flagpole is 47.21 feet. And that yields an answer of C, like Charlie. My last piece of advice for you here is that if you're like myself and you don't really remember the law of sines, the law of cosines, SOHCAHTOA, well, I don't remember those these days because I'm too lazy. I've got an HP 35 calculator with a series of triangle programs. And I have those programs, and what I do is I press execute golf, like G. And golf is a side angle side program. So it says, what is your first side? 49.49. Next, what is your angle? 45.17.23. Next, what is your second side? 66.32. And then it spits out all the missing sides and angles. If you like trig, if you're good at it, don't bother. But if you're a little bit weaker in trig, like I used to be and like I am right now, then I would suggest seriously considering a pre-programmed HP 35 because it will do all the trig for you and you don't have to remember a single formula, which is awesome. Would you like more content? I would love if you would join us for a complete Fundamentals of Surveying review course. This guy has slides, videos, practice questions, handouts, everything you need to pass this exam on the first try. It's got the same number of questions and the same question types on its full-length practice exam, and it is built to get you from 0 to SIT licensee as quickly as possible. Join me at nlcprep.com/FS.